How to set away message on LinkedIn. This is one of the latest features on LinkedIn, which was introduced sometimes at the end of 2020. I believe in November 2020. This can be really useful if you are finding yourself too busy to reply on a lot of messages going away for vacation. So in order to set up your away message on LinkedIn, follow these steps. Once you are on your LinkedIn profile, go to the messaging box. Once you are there, go over the left side menu where you can see messaging. Click on these three dots and choose from the options Set Away Message. Switch on the away message and choose a date. Let's say I'll choose 28th, which is today, until, let's say, 10th of January. Now here you will type in your message, and as you can see, you have 300 characters for your away message. So now I've set my away message. Thanks so much for your note. Due to the high volume of messages I get here on LinkedIn, I can't reply to everyone. For all business inquiries and collaborations, please send an email at info.yourbizmentor.com or schedule a call at Calendly. Alright, now I've completed it. It has the beginning, ending, and call to action, and you can just save it. And then once you need it again in the future, you can update your stay away message here, update, or you can click here and update away message.